All right. Hopefully everyone can hear and see okay. Um, I am Logan Poole, Weather Service meteorologist here in Jackson. This is going to be your daily uh, weather briefing for the Arkansas region, February 15th, 2024. Our weekly briefing for this week. A couple of quick highlights. The rain chances return late Friday into Saturday. That's going to be mostly on Saturday, probably. It's a quick moving band of showers. We'll see maybe an isolated rumble of thunder or two, but most places not going to see even thunderstorms. And we're going to see generally under a half inch of rain across the area. And I would say uh, most areas probably see substantially less than that even. So this is not going to be a big weather maker. Organized severe weather not expected, of course. Following that, drier and cool, and going to return back to freezing by Saturday night and into Sunday night. You can see that 7-day precipitation, rain chances likely Saturday, and the next chance is all the way out at the end of the period on next Thursday. We could see a little bit of rain, but again, the whole period not looking very wet in most areas, again, remaining under that half inch mark, but we could see a couple places of quarter to 3/10 of an inch. So today, very mild for this time of the year, really warming up into the near 70-degree mark. I don't know about you guys, this is about as good as it gets in my mind. Sun, light breeze, and a few clouds around. Overall, very nice afternoon. We don't chill too much overnight, down to around 50 for most folks, upper 40s. And this is going to be ahead of the cold front that we're going to be seeing as we head towards Saturday. So not too unexpected that we're hanging out in the 50s. By late tomorrow afternoon, really, we will start to see a few chances for showers, particularly across northern portions of the area. And again, one more really mild day before we cool off heading into the later weekend. So here's the surface chart for Saturday. So we have that front. It's just kind of draped across the area. It's not terribly strong. You can see a big hot area of high pressure and cool air. It's going to be spilling south after that. Not terribly cold even. So, but it will be cooler, will be drier after we get this front cleared out of the way. And again, not anticipating anything substantial with that in terms of strong to severe storms. To give you an idea what this week is going to look like across, this is for Jackson, but follows for the rest of the area largely. Saturday does look gusty. That is something to point out. We could have gusts high as 30 miles per hour or so, particularly when that front comes through. But you'll notice that we do see that dip in temperatures heading Saturday into Sunday. But as we head into next week, temperatures do jump back up into the 60s, and by middle of next week, likely to be back into the 70s. So just a very temporary cool down, but likely to see freezing temperatures as we head through the weekend. So just be aware of that. Just a heads up for what's happened the past week. We saw quite a bit of rain for the past month, really. We're about 200% above normal for most areas across the Arkansas. And that's really made a pretty big dent in our drought. This is just from last week until this week. You can see we've essentially eliminated all of that D4 drought. The D3 to 4 is just very small now. And overall, you can see substantial improvement. We definitely feel like we're on the other side of that substantial drought with some rain chances in the future and continuing to look pretty good for us in terms of rain. So again, summary. Rain chances this weekend, be quick, not a big deal. Just to help out with the drought still a little bit. Organized severe weather not expected. Drier and cooler over the weekend, but moderating through next week. And we will see those freezing temperatures as we head into the weekend.